Here is a 12 gauge machine with insert needle bed. Here is a 12 gauge. 12 gauge. And the insert needle bed. This one is insert one piece, two pieces. Each piece is separately. So, for example, this one broken, you can change this one separately. Here you need. Here is a 12 gauge no transfer needle. You can check. LX1132 no transfer. It's also insert needle bed. Here you can check. Now our machine we use the insert needle bed for the machine. Yeah, check. It's our machine now insert needle bed. Check. This one is 14 gauge, 14 gauge, 14 gauge and 80 inch. 80 inch is our insert needle bed now. With see? Yeah. And here we can check, and it's 12 kg. It's all insert needle bed also. I check. It's and for this type of machine, for LXA or LXC, all insert needle bed. Here you can check this one. Each one is separately. For LXA or LXC, our machine or KSC, our machine is insert needle bed. Insert one. And here we can see the machine. This machine is no insert needle bed. This one is the machine. The needle bed is one piece together and cut by CNC machine. So this one quality, the insert needle bed machine quality is better than this one. So it's one piece together. Okay, thank you.